According to Jehovah's Witnesses and information available on jw.org, Abel is recognized as the second son of Adam and Eve and a notable example of faith and righteousness. He is the first person in the Bible who is said to have pleased Jehovah God through his actions. Abel demonstrated his faith by offering a sacrifice that was acceptable to God. Unlike his brother Cain, who offered fruits of the ground, Abel presented the firstborn of his flock along with their fat pieces. Jehovah accepted Abel's offering because it was given with sincere devotion and reflected obedience to God's requirements. This account underscores the importance Jehovah's Witnesses place on worshiping God in the manner he approves. Abel's life and death carry significant lessons. His murder by his brother Cain marks the first recorded act of violence in human history, illustrating the tragic consequences of jealousy and anger. Jehovah's Witnesses often refer to Abel's example when discussing the qualities of faithfulness and integrity. They believe that Abel maintained his loyalty to God despite the sinful environment he was born into. In the teachings of Jehovah's Witnesses, Abel is also associated with the hope of resurrection. They believe that he will be resurrected to life on a paradise earth in the future, as part of God's purpose to restore perfect conditions for obedient humans. Abel's story is frequently used in Jehovah's Witnesses literature and discussions to highlight the importance of offering one's best to God, exercising genuine faith, and enduring in righteousness despite opposition.